pink glow pineapple. Never had this, and I've got it here at the Wajimaya, so I thought it'd be fun to eat this with the kids. It's got a pink flesh on the inside versus a yellow flesh, but it's a pineapple, so this would be really fun. I'll bring this home, cut it up, and see if this is any good. See if the kids like it. That's a real test. We're about to open up this pink glow pineapple right now and try it. I bought 2 of them. So we're gonna cut one first. Go ahead, you can go ahead and unpack it. What else does it say on here? Did you read the whole thing?
Yeah, the other one's a different language.
Oh, okay, yeah. Pink pineapple grown in Costa Rica. I had pineapples in Costa Rica and they were amazing. Jewel of the jungle. It's called the pink glow.
I smell it.
It was pretty expensive, so let's see if it was worth it. Let me go get a cutting board. I'm gonna cut this first one right now. What do you think? You think it's gonna be pink right at the top?
Yes.
Whoa, look at that. It's kind of pink.
It's kind of pink. I don't know if that one's right.
Guy said it was supposed to be right.
I think that one's more right. So is he ready?
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh. I don't know.
Whoa!
Oh, it's pink.
It is a little bit pink. So normally I would not cut it like this, but I did that because I wanted to show the inside real quick.
Is this natural or is it like dyed? I don't know. Okay.
Is it dyed? You know, that's a good. Well, they call it the jewel of the jungle.
Am I allowed to try it?
Go ahead. You can try it. I don't know how it's gonna be. Is it good? Is it sweet? Is this sweet? Really?
It's really sweet.
You know, in Hawaii
Really
specifically,
sweet.
they have a sugar pineapple, I believe it's called, and it's a white pineapple. This is the first pink one I've ever tried.
Oh, it's kind of hard to eat.
I'm curious if there's other types of pineapples. What's that?
It's a weird shape,
yeah,
so it's kind of hard to eat.
Yeah, I don't.
That is super sweet, though.
It is? Okay. Here, let's try this piece together. Yum.
The bottom's more sweet than this.
Yeah, because that's how it's sitting. I'll tell you, this is different from a regular pineapple.
Why? How?
I can't even describe it. Even when I bite into it.
It still tastes like a pineapple, though.
Oh, but the sweetness of it is slightly different. This side is way, way sweeter than this side.
Yeah.
And you can kind of tell from the color too, right here, versus the green over here. Juliana did point out we don't want to waste that. And I agree. Let's see if I can get a little bit off of that. Smart. Bet this part would be a really good part.
Wait, I just tried it. It's super sweet.
My gosh, okay. Time to chop this up and have the little ones and the twins try it as well. Years and years ago, when I went to Hawaii, I learned how to cut a pineapple. And I did a video where I just cut a pineapple. I think I was on the beach, I forget, but one of my first videos on this channel specifically. Gosh, look at that. That's looking super ripe. You're gonna come up here? Watch your fingers. Yeah, you want some pineapple? Sting your mouth. Right, a little bit later. Not too much later though. Alright, 1 second. It is really good actually.
Did you cut 2?
Let's try it. Go ahead, girls.
Regular. It's regular.
So, the guy said it was ready today. I would say it's not quite ready. Considering it's not fully ripe, I would give this 8.5 out of 10. But I know that if this was fully ripe, this would be a 10 out of 10. If you get this, I would wait to cut it until you get a nice pineapple perfume coming from the fruit itself. And if it's green on the outside, it's probably not ripe on the inside. I know that in Hawaii, wherever pineapples are grown, it can actually already be ripe, even if it's green on the outside. But I find in the store, if it's green, for whatever reason, maybe they pick it early or something, it's giving me watermelon vibes. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a pink pineapple. If there's any other types of pineapples out there where you live, or tried other types of pineapples like the sugar pineapple, or maybe there's other colors. What pineapples grow in your country that maybe I should try one day?
Blue pineapples.
Blue ones?